Hello, second graders. This is our spelling lesson and assignment for Friday. So this week we have been working on our long A spelling words, and we have had a short week. We've only had 3 days. So I have decided I am not going to give a spelling test this week because you guys probably haven't had a lot of chance to practice the words. So this week there's going to be no spelling test. And then next week I will give a spelling test on Friday. But I was thinking it was going to be on Zoom, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to do it on Spelling City. So today, after your worksheet, I'm going to show you how I will assign assignments on Spelling City for you to do. And we'll do a practice game for this week, and we'll do the test for next week, okay? So the first thing you need to do is find, after the Friday, your blue spelling paper that looks like this. It is page 53. So pause the video if you need to go get your paper. It is page 53. And I will make this bigger so you can see it up close. So at the top, make sure you write your name nice and neat. Then I'm going to go through the words. We have nail, train, main, hay, stay, break, stake, weigh, slay, and pray. Now, what you need to do is you need to sort the words just like you did yesterday, okay? So you are going to look for the words that have the AY at the end of the word to make a long A sound. So if I look, I can see hay and stay. Both have an AY at the end of the word. So you will underline it, I would if I were you, and then write it down here on 1 and 2. Numbers 3 and 4 have the EIGH, making the A sound like in weigh and slay. So you'll write those two for 3 and 4. Number 5 is the AI in the middle, like in nail, train, and main. So there are 3 that go right there. Number 8 and 9 is the EA, like in break and stake. So those 2 will go under 8, 9. And the last one that is the EY is our only one way over here is pray. So write that on number 10. Okay? When you are done, you're going to go to the bottom and you are going to write the spelling words that have the same vowel pattern as in pale. So when I look at pale, the vowel pattern is AI. So if I look at pale, it's AI. So I'm going to find 3 words right here that have the AI sound. Okay? And then number 14 and 15, you're going to write the spelling words that have the same vowel pattern as in may, M-Y. I'm sorry, A-Y. So then you'll look up above and find the 2 words that have A-Y at the end, making the long A sound. Okay, complete this worksheet. Make sure you keep it in a safe spot and you'll hand it in so I can grade it. Now, this week, since we're not going to do a spelling test, I would like to show you an activity that I'm going to assign on on Spelling City to practice for our spelling test that will be on Spelling City next Friday. Okay? So this week, no spelling test. What you're going to need to do is go to Spelling City and you are going to need to put in your username and password. And I'm going to use Ingrid as an example. I'm going to put in hers, which is I for Ingrid, G for Grunwald, 390, which is her lunch number. And then her password is 390. So I'm going to enter that. And then when you go into Spelling City today, you'll notice that Mrs. Murphy has assigned 2 activities for you, and they're games. The first one I have assigned is Hang Mouse, and the second one is a letter fall. You have to complete these 2, and they're due by Sunday. I would like you to complete them today, but I'm giving you to Sunday to complete them. This is going to practice because next Friday I will assign your test, which is the test and teach, and that will be your spelling test, okay? So when you click on this, you'll get to be able to play the game, and so you'll complete the game.
Will the mouse get a snack or will the cat? Choose a letter and find out.
Okay. Now, if you have to use your spelling lists that are in your binder, your blue long spelling lists that are in your binder, please go ahead and use those for this activities, because I know we haven't had many days to practice our new spelling words, okay? Now, when you get done, it will send Mrs. Murphy your score, and it will come off of your assignments to complete, okay? So I would like you to complete both activities on Spelling City. So Hang Mouse and Letterfall, and they're both fun games. All right, second graders, get to work on your spelling page and complete these two activities or assignments on Spelling City. Have a great Friday, no spelling test, so I'm sure you're happy about that. Have a great weekend.